Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're going to unbox and I will try to shoot the install of the doorbell camera. So here we have the Amcrest doorbell camera. I've put a few of these in and thought I would record a video to show some time-saving steps for other installers. Before we get started, this is an additional wedge kit that you can also get. It's free, so when you go to purchase it, purchase the one with the wedge kit. All right, so take our camera out here. All right, so the very first thing you're going to want to do is take this cover off. There's a spot right there for your finger and a spot right there. Go ahead and click in there and push. Come right off. And there's our front of our camera. The very first thing I want to do is, with your smartphone, take a picture of this QR code right here. You're going to need this when you go to set it up on the app. If you have a memory card, you're going to want to insert that now. Pull this little flap up right here. And insert your memory card right there. The pins go up. So if you're holding the camera like this, the pins on the memory card will go up, not down. Do not put this back on just yet. You want to get everything wired. If you're going to use the wedge kit, you need to determine if your wire is going to come through the front hole or the bottom hole, depending on where they come out on your house and how the mount is, how this lines up. Get the camera all connected, the two wires. Go ahead and turn power on. So the next thing we're going to do is unbox the chime kit. This goes in your chime box in your house. It already comes with VHB double-sided tape on it, which makes it really nice for install. The wiring harness for this is very straightforward. These are keyed, so they only go in one way. These little plastic notches right there. They're also notched on the chime kit, so go ahead and push that in, should sound like that. These go to plus and front on your chime kit. So go ahead and they actually give you all the tools to do this, which makes it pretty nice. Put that in there and lock that down nice and tight. Go ahead and take off your mounting plate, one screw there at the bottom. Mounting plate comes off. Okay, so right there's that QR code again. So what I would do at this point is get your chime kit installed in your chime inside the house. Figure out, are you going to use the wedge kit? Where's your wire come out? Which hole does it make sense where it's a nice, shot to the doorbell? You may have to come out in this top one. You're going to have to move this around for that to line up. But get that figured out. Hook the doorbell up to the house. Go ahead and apply power. When it boots up, they're going to want you to hit this button to put this into pairing mode. Well, the problem is if you already installed this, you put this back on, now it's mounted on the house and you have to pull this off again. This is plastic, so I would not take this off a whole bunch of times. They also give you a gray one if you choose to go gray. I'm going to go black on this one. I prefer black. So once you get everything hooked up, go ahead and add it to your phone. Then you can also, once it is added to your phone and powered up, you can use your wedge kit and look at it on your phone to see how you want to position the camera. It saves a lot of time, a lot of disconnecting, reconnecting, unscrewing, rescrewing, wearing the screw holes out in the house. So just something to keep in mind, guys. I'll try to record the install. We'll see how that goes. They gave you a splice connector, a couple Scotch locks, some screws, some mollies if you need to install these. Most of the time you won't need these. And your main three mounting screws for the back plate which will go on the wedge kit if you use the wedge kit. If you don't use the wedge kit, this goes directly on the camera. This is keyed, so again, that only goes on, you can't put it on that way. Goes underneath that lip. Bottom screw, right there, will anchor it to the house. So these long screws, these 3 long screws are what goes into the house. When you anchor this to the house, you use these nice long screws. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. Everyone have a good day.